Hey everyone, I'm Noelle Cruz, a leader with It Works Global, and I was tagged by the beautiful Samantha Streeter to tell my story and how I got started with It Works and just what it's done for our family. Um, I actually had never heard about this company before. I saw my girlfriend Jennifer Levi posting all these crazy before and after pictures on Facebook, and I thought to myself, well, that can't be real. And if it is real, it's got to be loaded with chemicals. So what did I do? I contacted her and I asked her to send me an ingredient list for the wraps. That's all I wanted. However, Jen had been trying to recruit me into a different business she had been doing for many months. She was selling candles and making, about $300 to $500 a month, and that was great for her. But I told her, I was like, Jen, I will buy from you all day long because I love your product, but I'm not going to sell candles. There's just no money in that. I didn't want to be that salesperson. I didn't want to be that friend that was constantly asking for parties or, for extra orders at the end of the month so I could promote and so that I could just, make money for my family. So I was not interested in working from home at all. I've actually done a previous networking company in the past, and I stuck it out for 3 years. I gave it my all, just as much as I've given It Works, and it didn't get me anywhere. So this was definitely not something that I was looking for. This is something that I was just curious. I was like, well, you know what? I've lost all my baby weight, but I still have that mommy tummy that just won't go away. And so I was like, maybe these wraps will help. So what did Jen do? She completely ignored my request for the ingredients, and she put me on the phone with Chad Caneller, who is now my Ambassador Diamond upline, number 16 money earner in the company. Chad and Juria, love you guys. But Chad pitched me the business opportunity. And first thing he told me to do was to pick up a pen and a piece of paper. And I completely ignored him because I was saying in my head, I'm not interested in this business. I'm not interested in working from home. Like I said, I don't want to be that salesperson. But God was sitting there with different plans, and he was beating me over the head going, Noelle, pick up a pen. And I was like, no. And he was like, Noelle, pick up a pen. So I picked up a pen and I very frantically started taking notes on what Chad was saying. And 15 minutes later, Chad had explained the very simple business system that we have to me. I was able to ask him a couple of questions, and I said, okay, let me talk to my husband. And I will be starting this business. I just don't know when, because Dusty was out of town at that time, and I knew he was going to tell me no. So I got off the phone with Jen and Chad, and I let Dusty know that I had something I wanted to share with him when he got back into town. And yeah, what did he do? He told me no when he got back. He was actually really excited. He thought that I was going to come to him and tell him that I was pregnant because we'd been trying for so long. And not only was he really disappointed that I didn't tell him that I was pregnant, he was even more angry that I wanted to start selling something, because to him, all of these work from home businesses are pyramid schemes. You never make any money, they never work, and this is obviously his thought process in the past, not currently. But he was just afraid that I was going to be taking advantage of people and that I wasn't actually going to be helping people. He had no idea where this business was going to take our family. He had no idea what the Lord had in store for us, and neither did I. All I knew was that as a mom who was not working a full-time job, I felt guilty. I felt like I was staying home with our daughter, and yes, I was keeping the house clean-ish. I was making dinners sometimes, doing the things that you're supposed to do as a wife and a mom. And yes, being a mom is really a full-time job, but I still felt guilty. I felt guilty that I wasn't contributing to our family financially. And so before It Works, I was actually working as a nanny. I was going to other people's homes. I was bringing kids into my house just to bring in an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. I was working at my gym daycare with my daughter in tow. Anything I could do to just bring in that little bit of extra money, and it was not getting us anywhere. So when I originally heard about It Works, I was like, okay, I don't know where this is headed, but my goal is going to be to bring in $500 a month. Well, that goal lasted about 2 days. And I very quickly caught the vision for the company, for the business. I started seeing what these wraps and the greens and all these other products are actually doing for people, how they're actually helping people get healthy, how they're helping them just get rid of these chronic diseases that they've had for many, many years. And I ran with that. And the Lord has really blessed our journey. In 3 months' time, I promoted to the rank of diamond and got a $10,000 bonus. A month later, I promoted to double diamond, which is an average of $6,000 a month. And I worked my business every single day. And I love, love, love that I get to work with my friends and my family, and I get to choose who's on my team. And I love that I surround myself with positive, inspirational, motivational people. And I love that I've taken all the toxic people out of my life. I love that every time I go to an event, I get to go to a family reunion with people that I just love and cherish. And it took another 6, 7, 8 months, but I promoted to triple diamond, which is ridiculous. I mean, that's what an average of $11,000 a month, I think, is the average as a triple diamond. And my goal before this baby is born was to go presidential diamond. And a presidential diamond makes an average of $17,000, $18,000 a month. And that's extremely attainable for us. I'm actually due in a couple of weeks. But what am I doing? I'm not stopping working my business. I build it every single day, and I talk to new people every single day wherever I go. And I love sharing this product and this opportunity with people because I know that if I'm not sharing it with them, they're actually missing out on something better. They're missing out on getting healthier. They're missing out on a financial opportunity for their family. You have no idea what this business could do for your family. You have no idea until you actually get in this business and you start working it and you get connected with our It Works family. And that really is what it is. We are a big family, and I love welcoming people into our team who are motivated and driven and have a reason to get their family out from the situation that they're in. So Samantha, thank you for tagging me in this video. Like I said, my goal is in the next couple of weeks to go presidential diamond, average $18,000 a month as a stay-at-home mom, you guys. My husband has since joined me in this business, so we get 2 paychecks, which is ridiculous. It Works has just completely transformed our lives. We are getting debt-free. We're putting money in savings. We're putting money in retirement. We're able to travel. I'm just able to spoil my daughter, which I love. With this new baby coming up, I was able to get the stroller that I wanted and, just do things differently than the first time around when we were, in the military and broke and living paycheck to paycheck. So, I love that Dusty and I get to do this together. He's 100% supportive. He has had a complete mind shift as far as the networking industry is concerned, because it's really just an educational decision. Once you educate yourself on the network marketing industry, you realize that it's a billion-dollar industry for a reason, and that it's just a smarter way to work. And I love that I don't have anybody telling me when I have to show up to work, how long I have to be there, if I can bring my daughter or if I have to leave her at home. I love that if she's sick, I can just, take that time and take care of her. And this has just given us the freedom that we've always wanted but never known where to find. So I actually am supposed to tag somebody that's not on my team and somebody that is on my team to make their own video and share their story with us. So the person I'm going to tag who's not on my team is Teresa Bennett. Teresa, I had the pleasure of meeting at an Ann Arbor One Team, One Mission that I hosted about 6 weeks ago, and she reached out to me and actually had me on one of her team calls. And Teresa is only a Ruby right now, but is already doing team calls and has just really established herself as a leader already in this business. And I know that she has a lot ahead of her, so I actually really want to hear her story. So Teresa Bennett, you are up next. And Stephanie Syme. You have been one of my good friends for many, many years. I know you from back when we lived at Eglin Air Force Base, and you were our neighbor. And we just love you and Matt, and I'm so excited to have finally welcomed you into our business family after, you watching me for over a year. And you just have insane things ahead of you, and I'm so excited for where you're going, for where this business is going to take you and your family. And I'm so excited that you and Matt are getting to do this together. So I want to hear your story, and I want you to let all of your friends and family know why you got started and where It Works is taking you. So for now, that's all I've got for you guys. So I hope you have a good day. Bye.